The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, viewers and subscribers, we are going to talk about the Chinese restaurant that's said to have caught on fire within the New Kingston area, you see me? And, you know, there is some things more to really and truly point out, you see me? Because I have a video that shows of a person, you know, explaining as to what had happened. And that video is said to be of a person that is an employee of the restaurant that had caught on fire, you see me? And I also have some few pieces of videos that I'm going to put together and present to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know. And these videos that I'm going to put together and show you, my viewers and subscribers, is going to show off the scene of the incident, you know. Is going to show off smoke coming from the place and so on, and you're going to actually hear explosion in one of the videos as well, you see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, this incident that I'm talking about, according to reports out there, it is said that this incident had happened on the 10th of March 2020, and it is said that this had happened at the place that is known as Knoxford Boulevard, that is of the New Kingston area, that is of Kingston, Jamaica. All right, and in one of these videos, viewers and subscribers, you know, the video that I'm talking about where the employee is said to be explaining as to what had happened, you know, some things that that person had said, viewers and subscribers, really and truly have me saying, yo, them thing are just, you know, just kind of set away, you see me I say? And if what this person had said in the video that is said to be the employee turns out to be exactly as to how this person had said it, then I see neglect and I see recklessness. And I'm only saying this if what that person had said in the video is true. You see what I'm saying to you? And if I was in that position, I would look at the boss and say, boss, listen to me. This need for fixing and that need for fix. And if you not fix these things, tell me from now. That's me can go home and go me yard. You see me? And viewers and subscribers, whenever I want to find faults certain way out in the workplace, we want to know say it's a health hazard and it's a risk to your life. You know, there's a place that is known as Ministry of Labor, you know. You understand? You can report it, you know. You see me I say, not because you work for somebody, you have rights to, you know. You understand? Yeah, just in case if persons out there don't know that, yes, I mean, I say you have rights. You can report these kind of things. That's what I'm saying to you because, you know, if what this person had said turns out to be true, then look at what happened now. You see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I could get into the video them right about now. The first video I want to play is of the person that is said to be the employee explaining as to what had happened. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah, remember now this person is talking about the incident that had happened where it is said that the Chinese restaurant had caught on fire. So some of the things this person is about to say might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right? Take a look, listen and observe.
Gas with a leak, sir. Gas with a leak. And I'm fix it with plastic. And back and I ask me if everything alright and say yeah. And say a man come look on it. So the day I work, I laid some baked chicken, fried chicken. Next girl around there, sir. They on the stove a cook. You understand? 3 hours in the kitchen. You keep on coming there and ask if everything alright, everything alright. You, Mr. Boston. Miss Julia's man. So the stove light, after the stove light now, they I work, I just see a boom, the situation scary. And I tell you the truth, only I show me see that happen. You know how we make it up. You just see a boom fly, next girl fly, head up on fire, man up on fire, foot up on fire, foot up on fire. Scary me I tell you. You know how we make it out. We could even save the girl with her face with a bun up. Could even save her because all of we in the same situation. You understand me I tell you? If we run, come out of the restaurant and go over the police station and tell them, say, fire, 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 fire. The man them say, which part, which part? He say, Tao, Tao. Call the fire truck. That's it. Them call the fire truck. And we run going back for take up bag and things. I tell you.
So you went back into the burning building?
Yeah, we took up back. And we left some other things. TR, ID, money, next phone in the bun up, clean next phone, other chef phone bun up. Serious me I tell you that. Right, sir. Very well. And them, right, sir. And them bun up. Right, sir. Finger them, knee burn. Could even tell you. Could even tell you the pain over there feel, I tell you. All of them on fire, we are burning. We are feeling a ball in there. ball, we are balling there.
Well, alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the person explaining as to what had happened, you see me, and really and truly, when we listen to what that person had said, I just don't feel good about what had happened. You hear what the person say? The person says something about gas, like he said gas did a leak, you see me I say? Now, there is two sides to a story, viewers and subscribers, you see me I say? There is two sides to a story. That's why you hear me and say, if what this person had said is true, you understand? Me not go just jump up and say, yo, true, because, we don't know. But, if what this person had said is true, then trust me, this is not something, this not look good. And according to reports out there, it says that at least one person had been injured. You see what I'm saying to you? And, me I wonder how bad is that injury? You see what I'm saying to you? Like burn, scar and them things there. Because me I listen to what this person said in the video, viewers and subscribers. And, me I tell you, me just go up, say everything work out good and everything just go back to normal and everybody alright. Alright? But anyways, we're going to move on now to the pieces of videos that I'm going to put together and present to you, my viewers and subscribers, And I'm only presenting these pieces of videos put together so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. You get what I'm saying to you? Because these pieces of videos are shows of the scene of the incident where it is said that the Chinese restaurant had caught on fire within the New Kingston area of the country of Jamaica. All right, now viewers and subscribers, as I'm about to show you these pieces of videos put together, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos put together might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Alright, so here are the videos. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall. Una big up for yourself.
Juicy look like it a bun down.
Yeah, right as we speak, New Kingston, Chinese restaurant explode, and there's a smoke and it's toxic. Yeah. I need to get out of here.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.